Hello everyone. Question is the administrator at Universal Container has created two objects containers underscore C purchase underscore C. Management has requested that all container records display on purchase records in Salesforce. Which type of relationship between containers underscore C and purchase underscore C should satisfy this requirement? Option A roll-up summary field. Option B formula field. Option C master detail field. Option D lookup field. Correct answer is option B. Question is Universal Containers has a private sharing model for opportunities and uses opportunity teams. Criteria-based sharing rules a sales representative at Universal Containers leaves the company and their user record is deactivated. The representative is later rehired in the administrator activates the old user record. The user is added to the same default opportunity teams but has no longer able records the user worked on before leaving the company. What is the likely cause? Option A the stage of the opportunity records was changed to closed lost. Option B permission sets were removed when the user was deactivated. Option C the record type of the opportunity records was changed. Option D the records were manually shared with the user. Correct answer is option D. Question is what should an administrator use as an identifier when importing and updating records from a separate system? Option A rich text field. Option B record ID. Option C auto number field. Option D external ID. Correct answer is option D. Question is the administrator or CloudKicks created a new field for tracking returns on their new cloud SOO. A user has submitted case to the administrator indication that the new field is unavailable. Which two steps should an administrator do to troubleshoot this issue? Option A ensure that the page layout for the user's profile has been updated. Option B run the setup audit trail for the organization. Option C update the organization-wide default for the object. Option D review the field level security of the field for the user profile. Correct answer is option A and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is Universal Containers UC has a queue that is used for managing tasks that need to be worked by the UC customer support team. The same team will now be working on some of the UC's cases. Which 2S should the administrator use to help the support team? Option A configure a flow to assign the cases to the queue. Option B use assignment rules to set the queue as the owner of the case. Option C add case to the existing queue as available object. Option D create a new queue to add cases as an available object. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is in a AWS computing needs to capture a loss reason in rich text field when an opportunity is closed lost. How should an administrator configure this requirement? Option A select the requirements checkbox next to the loss reason field on the page layout. Option B create a validation rule to display an error if stage is closed lost and loss reason is blank. Option C check the required checkbox on the loss reason field in Object Manager. Option D configure a workflow rule to display an error if loss reason is blank. Correct answer is option B. Question is CloudGeeks wants its reports to show a fiscal year that starts on February 1 and has 12 months. How should the administrator address this requirement? Option A, set the fiscal year to custom and the starting month as February. Option B, set the fiscal year to custom and the duration to 4 quarters. Option C, set the fiscal year to standard and the starting month as February. Option D, set the fiscal year to standard and the duration to 12 months. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.